Hello, everybody. Welcome back. I'm glad that you made it on back to my channel. I was just giving myself a little break because, excuse the t-shirt and the halfway bandana. Um, Miss Hamilton has been studying most of the day for my meteorology classes, and it's some tough stuff. So that's why I was just having to dance at the beginning, because you have to celebrate. When you feeling good, you've been studying all day, kids. You gotta celebrate. You gotta let that stress go. But anyways, other than that, I can say that Miss Hamilton has her edges on fleek. Okay, guys. So today I'm going to give you a lesson on math. Okay, so we're gonna focus on addition. Okay, two-digit addition. So let's look at our target for the day. Our math target is right here. All right, math target. So you just repeat after me. I can add two-digit addition problems and explain my reasoning by using pictures and models. So this is actually a two-part lesson. What I'm going to do today is I am just going to focus on teaching you all the method of representing your two-digit addition problems with pictures. Yes. And then I'll come back like tomorrow and I will show you how to do it with models. Okay. All right. So this is our target. I'm just going to put it over here to the side. And so first off, let's look over here. Let's look at our math terms right quick, because we have to know what our key math terms are, what they mean, before we can even apply them to the lesson, right? Yeah. All right, so regrouping is the first, okay? Regrouping in this situation for the skill that we're learning today is grouping 10 ones to make one 10, okay? That's what we will be regrouping today. All right. Algorithm. Everybody say algorithm. Yes. An algorithm is just a basic set of rules and procedures that you use to solve a problem, which is probably what most of us learned when we were growing up. That's how we learned math. Okay, tens. If you look right here, these are called rods. Okay, I write them. You can draw them two different ways. This takes a lot of time. I'm just showing you that there are 10 blocks in each. Okay, and you connect them and they make one 10. But you will see me represent my tens today by just lines, okay? But just know that equals 10, all right? All right, it should be a good review for my class because we've gone over this, but I need to hit it again. All right, ones can be written as circles or dots. I like to do dots. They're easier and they're faster, but each one of them represent one. They are singles. They are singles, just like Miss Hamilton is single. Hey. Okay. So reasoning, what does it mean when we want you to explain your mathematical reasoning? Well, what that means is we want you to explain why, okay? The whys of the problem. Why did you do this? Why are you thinking this, So this is very, very important, excuse me, with our mathematical practices. And, of course, addition. And I just kind of made up one, grouping or counting together to find a sum, okay? So these are the key math terms. Repeat after me. Regrouping, algorithm, tens, ones, reasoning, and addition. Very good. All right, I'm going to move these jokers over to the side. Okay, so let's look at what we have right here, okay? So, let me get them out of the viewing area. Okay, so this right here says addition with regrouping, okay? So we have the basic algorithm. That goes one of those key terms, okay? And this is how we all learned how to do, like your moms and dads and aunts and uncles. This is probably how they learned how to do math. We would say, okay, 58 plus 35. So I hear students saying, okay, well, shoot, let's go ahead and add, okay? Well, we always start at the ones place. So 8 plus 5 equals 13, exactly. So I write my 3 and I do what? Carry my 1, yes. And then I just add, okay, so 1 plus 5 is 6, and 6 plus 3 is 9. Boom. My answer, 93. A lot of people know how to do that, right? This is where we have the problem. When I say, okay, why did we carry the 1? Well, because we were supposed to. What does the 1 represent? 1. Because you can't, and I get this, because you can't write 13 down here. Because 8 plus 5 is 13, but you can't write 13 down here. So you got to put like the 3 right here and 1. But why? Why? So today we're going to explore and we're going to find out why. I'm going to show you guys how to do it, and I'm going to have y'all do some examples for me, okay? All right, so let's explain our knowledge and use pictures to help us. Okay, I also put reasoning right here. I made this last night. You can't see it, but that says reasoning because I thought that reasoning would kind of just sound a little better, but we'll keep going. All right, so right over here, I have 58 plus 35. Same problem as above, right? Thumbs up. All right, so what I did was I made a little chart over here that says tens and ones. And what we're doing is we are breaking down those two numbers into tens and ones. And so for 58, I would ask my class, okay, guys, how many tens are in 58? Okay, and I know they would say 5. So over here I wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Great. I said, how many ones are in 58? 8. Okay, we write them in groups of 5. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. That represents the number 58. Try not to pay attention to all the other writing that I have going on until I get to that part. But anyways, 35. Okay, I said, okay, class, how many tens is in 35? Yeah. There are 3 tens in 35. 1, 2, 3. How many ones are in 35? There are 5, okay? There are 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful. Okay. Now, this is where I show them how to do it and explain the why. Okay. So in our pictures, we could actually just cover this all the way up. We really don't even need that. What it looks like is I'm going to go ahead and do what? I always count my ones first. And I like to put like a star right there. It's just my thing. All right. And I count all my ones, and I have 5 right here. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay? All right. Anytime I'm in the ones, if I have 10 or more, I have to group together 110. Okay? Let me say that again. When I add my ones, if I have 10 or more, I have to group together 10 ones to make 110. And then we have to regroup. That's what I did here in this box. I counted 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom. I took all of those ones and boom, we go over there to the tens place, and that becomes 110, okay? What do you have left? Because all these are gone. Okay, you have 3. So then you can see that you have 3 ones, and then you go over here and you count all of your tens, honey, and you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Beautiful. 3 ones, 9 tens. Okay, let's look over here. Let's see if we did it the old-fashioned algorithm way. And we say 8 plus 5 is 13. Write my 3. Carry my 1. And add straight down. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 93. 9 tens, 3 ones, that equal? Yes, sis. So that right there shows you an example of what we're doing. Okay, so now it may be a little confusing, so let me break it down one more time. Let me give you an example. Okay, I'm just gonna pull a number out of the sky. Okay, 76. All right, I got 76 plus 47. 47. So 76 plus 47. Yes, and it's so important to make sure that your numbers are lined up. We know that this is the ones column right here, and this is the tens column right there. Make sure it is lined up, guys. Okay, so I'm going to draw my little cute arrows, and then I'm going to make a chart over here. Okay, I'm going to make a chart. Tens and my ones. Okay, boom. Just like that. Okay, so right here, I already know that I will be representing 76. Okay, so how many tens is in the number 76? Exactly, there are 7. I will draw 7 lines, okay, to represent 10 each. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Beautiful. Okay, how many ones is in the number 76? Okay, yes, there are 6. I need a different color. Sorry. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the number 76. Okay, let's go down. The number 47. How many tens are in the number 47? Yeah, hopefully you said 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many ones is in 47? Excuse me. Yes, there are 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Beautiful. We represented both of our numbers right there. 76 and 47. Okay? So I'm going to kind of throw a little curveball in there, okay? I'm going to cover this up. Why, Miss Hamilton? Because we can do this. We can do this without that, okay? All right, we know how to explain our mathematical reasonings. And yes, we do. Okay, always start with the ones column first. Add all of your ones up, okay? So if we counted, we know we have 5, we have 10. Ooh, ooh, I said it. What's our magic word? 10. Excuse me, our magic number. Anytime we reach 10 or more, we got to group together 110 and we got to regroup it, okay? Over to the other side. So I'm just going to take, okay, I'll just do this. I'm going to take this 5 and I'm going to take this 5. And then I'm going to, I grouped all those together. So Miss Hamilton's going to make one new 10. Okay? All right. Now, what can you do, Miss Hamilton? Well, now that I've regrouped 10 ones and made 110, I can count my ones and see how many I got. All right, let's count our ones. Let's count all the ones that we have left, okay? We have 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to write 3 ones down here because that's how many I have, okay? All the other ones have grouped together. And if you want to put an X in those, once you regroup them into 110, that's fine. So it doesn't confuse you because I don't want to confuse anyone, okay? All right, over here with the 10s. Now all we got to do is count these old 10s and see how many we got. So we have 5 here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 10s. Ooh, we have 12 10s. How many do we have? I wish I had 12 10s right about now. Have a little shmoney. Okay, let's keep going. All right, let's see if we got the right answer. Okay, let's look at the old-fashioned way. Let's do this. So, 6, I always start my 1. 6 plus 7 is... Oh, I hear somebody saying 13. Good job. 13. My 3. And now I know I have to carry my 1. And then I go over and I add. Look. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Oh, look at that. So, look what I have. 123 is the answer. And over here I got 12 10s and 3 1s. If I broke 12 10s down, that would be 120. And then we add that 3. And guess what we have, class? We have 123. Beautiful. Yes, yes, yes. So, this is what I want my class to do. Okay? I'm going to, in the description box below, in the description box below, I will put an example.